68 Corvette up there. And there's something in front of it. It's a C3 Corvette. All that stuff will get unloaded. Let's see what we got over here. We got an Oldsmobile, a Roadrunner, and a Corvette. Looks like a 67 Camaro convertible, and another wing car. Seems to be that there may be quite a number of wing cars here. For 1969 they were all Daytonas, and for 1970 they were Plymouth Superbirds. Each was a one-year only deal. This one, read the windshield, 680 miles original unrestored. Where else are you going to see this car, along with a bunch of other wing cars, but other than at a show with this prestige? I've been saying it for years. The most prestigious muscle car show in the country, hands down. But because this says Plymouth on the back, obviously it's got to be a 1970. It's a Roadrunner Superbird. 680 miles unrestored. I will find out what is the power under the hood. Here comes a GTO. These cars come off of trucks and trailers and ultimately just get placed along the sides. Again, you got to think of that theory, first in, last out. Not everything arrives in perfect order, so you have to place them off to the side until you can fill in the middle. Vent window in the door means this is a 67. Hideaway headlights indicating the RS package. Tow hooks, typical of the era. Probably fuel pressure gauge. No, that's a vacuum gauge. You always put a fuel pressure gauge outside the car back in the day because you didn't want fuel inside the car. Now they have electronic ones where you can actually have them inside. So this car should have reverse lights below the bumper, which it does, and solid red taillights. No spoilers available in 1967 as a factory option. Right in front of it, 67 Rally Sport convertible. Buckets console 4-speed. Looks to be restored to original. 327 emblem on the fender. Proper stripe on the nose. Sitting right next to a very expensive 70 Plymouth Superbird. This car is going to be real interesting for me to take a poke around and see what's what. 680 miles. Got to be able to get a lot of information off of something that is virgin, untouched, and be able to use that for comparison to other inspections, proper restorations, aftermarket parts, things like that. There's a Pontiac Le Mans right there.